¿Qué pasa, everybody? So today it's time to get back on this motor. Finally got me some me time again. So if you've been watching the videos, y'all know that I installed some new cam bearings, right? And today we're gonna find out how good I installed them. So today we are putting a new cam from Summit. Here's a 1102. So here's the part number if you guys need it. Summit 1102, and that's the price, $73.99. And these are the specs for you guys. Just a little baby cam, nothing special. A little better than stock. And also dual roller edelbrock timing chain. Okay. Here's where's it at? Right there, that's the part number. That's the price. So hopefully everything goes nice and smooth today. Hopefully I install those cam bearings legit. If not, we're gonna find out real quick. So I'll put you guys on the tripod and get to it. Put some lube on it. Really? There we go. Alright. And since this is a flat tappet, a hydraulic flat tappet, you have to put some lube on the lobes. If it was a roller cam, then you don't have to really worry about it. But you know, nice and smooth. Oh, man. So far, so good. So far, so good. Do you see? Yeah, alright, cool. Here we go. Spin it. Oh, yeah. Now, once you get to this part, it gets a little tricky because you kind of have to, like, I don't know, get, lean it back a little bit, but you don't got enough leverage. There you go. Wow, look at that. See that? Alright, now install some little cam bolts. Here we go. No. And since we got the back open, we can try and put our finger in the back, lift it up Kinda. Not really. There we go. Nice. Make sure it turns. Perfect. So there you go. What else? What else? So now it's time for the timing chain. Alright. So it's time for the sprocket for the bottom. Which is right here. Right. And this one just has a one keyway. There's a different one that has three different ones, so you can retard it or advance it. But I just got this one. So what you want to do on the other one, not this one, on the other one that I put on my 406 for the Impala, what you want to do is put it on top of the center. Right there. Alright. Top dead center. And I wonder if we're going to be able to put it on like that or heat it up. Alright, let's heat it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat it up and get a socket that's bigger than this and just lightly tap it in. So let me go get ready to heat this up. Alright, here we go. So if you guys watched the last video, you guys know that I use this burner to heat up the rods, or yeah. Ah, shit. There we go. Now we're going to use it again to heat up the cam sprocket. So set it like so. Alright. Give it a couple minutes. Yeah, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Work with what you got. Alright, here we go. Let me get it. Be careful you don't drop it. That thing's gonna be really hot. Alright, so there. You don't want to hit it too much. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Alright, just. Oh, that's all the way in. Cool. But this isn't gonna fit. Yeah. So just a little tap just in case. But I mean, it's all the way in, so that's cool. Right there. See the little dot? Almost on top. Kinda. Top to center. So what I'm gonna do, oh, don't touch it. I'm gonna put that, move it a little over. Get ready to install the cam sprocket. Alright, so put you guys back on the tripod. Let's get to it. Alright. Take those off. And what you want to do is get your sprocket. And here's a dot. Hopefully you guys can see that. I can't see. Oh, there it is. Put it on. and move it so the dots align. Alright? My engine's a little crooked. There we go. So, see that? So I gotta move this one. Oh, man. Don't forget your keyway. It fell out right now. So I don't have to go too much, just a little bit. So you guys see that? Dot to dot. Alright. And now what we're going to do is get the nice angle right there. Take that off. Get the chain on it. I'm going to go from the bottom to the top. Oh, one off. Oh, dang it. I don't want to lock the angle. See right there, I'm one off. That should be it right there. Install your nuts or bolts. Don't touch that. It's still hot. Keep forgetting, keep trying to touch it. So, let me go look at the torque specs and I'll come back with you guys. Alright, so we're back. So, the torque specs for these, it says 20 inch-pounds and to add some Loctite. So that's what we're going to do. Take one out. A little bit of Loctite. Throw back in. Oh, too much. Oh, shit. There we go. Damn AC. Put some on this one. Go, put your torque wrench at 20 inch-pounds. That's it. That's it. Double check, make sure you're at 20 inch-pounds. 20 inch-pounds. Double check them. That's it, guys. There it is. That's how you install camshaft and a edelbrock double roller timing chain. Alright, so you see dots are aligned dot to dot. So just because this is at top dead center, it doesn't mean that it's ready to get the distributor dropped into it, right? So what I mean by that is what I do once I adjust the valves, get the valves adjusted or whatnot, I like to put the timing cover and the oil pan last on all the motors I build. Why? I don't know, I'm weird. And then once I do that, I put this dot all the way to the top over here. Alright? and that's when you're ready to just stab the distributor. Once we get to that part, I'll show you guys what I mean. But yeah, there it is, quick and easy. Coming along. Next is going to be the heads, and then lifters, valve, rocker, arm adjustment, tape it up, paint it, and hopefully slap it in the boat. So yeah, there it is, coming along. So again, thanks for watching. Come back to the channel, keep watching the videos, like, share, subscribe, and you know, let me know what's up in the comments, something.